Candace Carter. Thoughts to go. I'm starting with my Christmas tree, my decorated ladies, and coming down to me. Hi. So we've managed to get through Christmas, we've managed to get through New Year's Eve, and now we're going into January and we're still in lockdown. As you know, I think all you friends in the States are also in lockdown. Of course, they're starting to use the vaccine, and that's got everybody all excited. Well, we'll see. I hope it helps. I hope we can see something new happening in the spring. I want to tell you something special. I am planning to take some time off now in the month of January until the beginning of February, which means I'm also taking time off from here, from my YouTube channel. And it was crazy. Yesterday I took a look at my date book for January, and it was still empty. I mean, I have not had this situation for, I'd say, 20 years. It was like I was looking at this empty January, and I thought, wow, we're in lockdown. Why don't I just go a little step farther into my lockdown? So I have decided to take some time off from normal life. I will take time off from my telephone, from my computer, from Netflix and Amazon, from friends and contacts. And that's why I want you to know you will not be hearing from me until maybe the beginning of February or the first week after that. Depends on how this works out. I might have to stop earlier. I really don't know. I'm just going to have this month as a retreat in my own surroundings. I can't go somewhere else. I used to go to the cloister a lot, and it was a wonderful retreat. There's no place you can go right now. As I said, this is lockdown, so I'm making the best of it. I intend to write a lot. I will cook daily and take walks and take care of my plants and my cat, of course. The thing is, since Corona has started, amazingly enough, for me, I've had so much input, and I haven't really been able to do what I've taken in from friends, from the time, from the historical situation, from being reduced and not having a normal daily life. I want to put this into my artistic endeavors, especially into my writing. So I need this time now, and I will use this block of time for writing, for reassessing and finding new ways to move into the spring, into our hopes about the pandemic and what will happen. And so February 2nd is my official day, which is a holiday, a Catholic holiday. It's a holiday for Mary, Mother of God. It's the holiday of light. And in the tradition, people say we are moving, you can tell the days are getting longer from February 2nd on, really. You can tell we're moving into the time of year with more light. Now, the tradition is that you put your tree up on Christmas Eve, which we did, and you take it down on February 2nd, which is officially in the Catholic tradition, the end of the Christmas period. Moving towards spring, Easter, summer, yeah, all this good stuff we're looking forward to with less lockdown. Anyway, so you will not hear from me now for a month or so, and I wish you well. I hope you find something you can do in the lockdown that does you well, and I wish you all the best, and I promise I'll be back, and I hope you will too. Okay, bye-bye.